Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from Kentcarmedia. As some of you may be aware, I think we put it on Instagram, the Toyota Gazoo Racing has been sold. So that left me open to get a new daily, and here it is. This is my new 2005 Range Rover. Now, I bought this car very cheap, used it for about 3 months, and then I parked it up, and it's been sat ever since. So we put a new battery on it this morning because the old one was absolutely dead. And today we are going to be changing the brakes so it's roadworthy again, so I can actually drive it rather than just paying for it to sit on my drive. So to give this car a bit of love, the brakes are absolutely shot. So we're going to fit some nice new brakes today. And hopefully repair the mirror glass that's gone black. But we'll see. How tight are they?
That one was a bit tighter, but they get probably more tight as... I'm taking it too far out. Alright. Let's jack this bitch up.
Watch your back, so that wall's going to be fucking heavy.
Oh my god! Okay, it's a lot heavier than an MX-5 wheel. Shitting hell, how do people do this?
It's up to your crotch.
Okay. I don't think I could physically lift. Shall I try and lift it? This is going to go terribly.
And now you can see why we need to change the brakes.
Alright, you can go under there.
That disc has more texture than my bolognese. To the tool shed, Batman.
Right, 13 mil I think this is. Lovely odd size. And I'm just going to take this bottom one off. Lefty loosey. And that came off a lot easier than I thought it was going to be honest. Okay. So it has a nut and a bolt rather than a whole one that's a slide pin like an MX-5. I'm going to base most of my knowledge on MX-5s here. Okay, we're going to loosen that top one as well.
Hammers may be required.
Or the hammer of a fist. I feel like they were talked up to specification.
What is the torque specs on these? 6 Uggers and a Dugger.
Alright, let's keep these in a safe place. Okay, now... there's your caliper, and then... there's... Oh yeah. Does that come off of there? Oh, I'll tell you what, it's a heavy old boy. Let's just lay him in there. And that is the wear sensor there. So it looks like that just comes off. So I'm assuming that knows it's worn when it grounds to earth or something, maybe? Maybe, we'll see. There's a little clip as well, it comes off. I'm going to keep that because I don't know what they come with. And then yeah, let's have a look at Olly's pads. Not a lot of life left in those.
There's plenty of meat on them.
They've worn very unevenly, which is a bit weird. I reckon the disc must be warped or something. Oh, I mean, this one's like a wafer. Oh my god. That's like a cornflake, that one.
There's plenty of pad on them.
Look at that. That's metal.
I've done 6,000 miles on these.
Okay.
No wonder it didn't stop when I came to the traffic lights the other day.
So that's the slide pin in there. So we'll grease those up later, but I'll leave them there so I don't lose them. And now we just need to take... Oh my goodness, you're the heaviest thing in the world. I need to put that somewhere, but I don't know where. So we just need to remove the carrier. So we've got 2 bolts on the back of the hub, which I will tell you the sizes once I have figured it all out. Oh, look at that. I'm the first one.
First time? No, this isn't my first time.
No, I don't know what I've done with the other bit. There you go, it's there. I'm a bit nervy about this one. Also, if you look how far your pistons are out, they're almost coming out. And I mean, you're going to have to need rebuild at some point because look how rusty it is. But we'll push those
We'll
back.
just spray it with WD-40 and force it in. That's what I normally do in the bedroom.
I'm going to need a thing for that. If in doubt, everything's in the fucking way.
Digger it out.
Get in there, baby. Wiggle me in. That's not going well.
So to release that pin, that bolt, we just stuck the ratchet on and gave it a little whack with a mallet.
Little whack.
Massive whack.
Uno bolt.
That needs greasing.
And we've got one at the top. Same again.
Oh, look at that. The magic touch.
Yeah, the magic touch.
I can't wait to do the other side. It's going to take us another 3 hours. And just like that,
Yeah, just like that. Oh, fucking hell.
we're off.
Right, there's your carrier.
Thank you, sir.
Both slide pins are in there.
Okay,
And then
sir.
these are the clips for the pads. I'm assuming we'll have to clean them up with a wire brush.
Away at a bloosh.
Take that off.
Jesus Christ, the state of that disc.
That's the old disc.
Look at the roughness of it.
Oh, I'm gonna put it down 'cause it's quite
Yeah, it's fine, put it down. Right, new disc then.
Get Ollie's new disc and we'll just give it a little bit of a clean up. It's a bit rusty because he's let it sit outside the packet for quite a while, but oh, that's the good stuff.
Woo!
Right.
You're right lifting that, mate. This looks quite heavy.
It's fucking heavy. Damn, it's heavy. I'm not built for this. Just put one of these on. Just to hold the disc on. Pop you in.
So the torque settings for the caliper carriers are 110 newton meters. I don't think Rob has the strength to put 110
Don't
newton
think-
meters in them.
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
Yeah.
Can we go up this way?
There we go, there's 110. There we go. Tight as a nut. Right, so we just wound the caliper back, which was an absolute travesty of a job. Rob's a broken man now.
I can't feel my wrists.
Just preparing the new pads to go in. Bit of copper loving. Wear sensors on top, aren't they?
Yeah, I can't feel my hands. Oh, whoops. Right, that's those ones.
And that's pad 1 installed.
Pop these bad boys out. Give them a bit of a clean and re-grease those.
Oh yeah, you do that. Spit on it.
Yeah, fucking sexy bitch. So the wear sensor goes, which you should probably change, but Ollie doesn't want to, so it's his.
Well, they're on a
prerogative.
3-day lead time, and we don't have time for that. So
And then the metal bit, if you, I don't know where you can see that because of the light. That side, which is worn, goes on this one here. Which is why I should keep that little...
it will probably still come up saying that your brake pads are worn on the dash if you reuse the pad wear sensor. But as they're on 3-day lead time, I'll probably order some and I'll replace them when we do the rear brakes another day. The Range Rover is so big that we have this to work in. Normally when the Mazdas are in it, we can lay down and do what we like. But we have approximately a metre to work in.
Right. So both the carrier to the caliper bolts. And then Ollie will tell me the torqueous spec if he wants it done to torque. Do you want it done to torque?
Do I want it done to torque?
That's it.
33 Newton meters.
Okay, what's a little bit more obtainable? Where is
So when you had nowhere to put the caliper. That's not very tight, is it? That's finger tight in a turn. Right,
There you go.
one side done. Let's get the wheel back on, get it on the floor. Go and do the other side. You looking forward to the other side, Rob?
No.
Oh. So just to confirm, the Range Rover 22s are a 2-man lift. They are,
Well, two of us men.
yeah, they are fecking heavy.
Back on the ground.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Got the wheel off, got the pads out. What you want to do is just repeat exactly the same as what you did on the other side. There's the brake disc on. Side done. Just putting the wheel back on now. So there you have it, guys. New daily, come in for some love so I can drive it again. Brakes are done. Hopefully it'll drive nice now and I won't have everyone looking at me because the brake discs are grinding, so that's good. If you want to see more stuff on this car, then let us know and we'll make something work. Thinking about taking it off-roading, so that could be fun. Drop a comment of what you'd like to see us do. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe, like the video, stay hydrated and buy shit cars.
Yeah, worth a good £1,000 in the ULEZ scrappage scheme. This is.